Here quickly, there's nothing wrong with you. You're not lazy. You're not incapable. You're not weak. You're not failing because you lack ability. And when I say failing, everybody, it's not always about failing and not being progressed on your report. For many learners, that is a problem, yes. They just can't get over the 30 or 40% mark. But for most of our learners, passing is not the problem. It's the pressure of doing really well, especially in your higher grades and your later years in high school, when you have to get those bursaries and you have to get the excellent marks. I mean, they talk about a bachelor's. In my school, we have to get 50 for 4 subjects, and you have to get 40 for your home language, and so on and so on. But that's not good enough. The principal had a long speech last week in my school where she explained it in detail again.